Hi, I'm Ellis, I'm from Corton and Wirral, and I got my solar panels through Solar Together with Wirral Council in the Liverpool City region. I've always wanted solar panels, so when I got my own place I thought, right, I'm going to get solar panels installed because I want to do my bit to tackle climate change so I'm not using as much oil and gas. And found out about Solar Together, applied, filled in all the documentation, got a quote. They came round to do the assessment, look at what we need doing and everything like that, and then came and fitted the solar panels. I think they started at 8 o'clock in the morning. I was ready to install the app and check on my energy consumption by 12 o'clock in the afternoon. It was that quick, it was that good, it was that easy. It's sensational really. I think the initial outlay might be something that scares people. Or it's going to cost X amount of money, it's going to be so expensive. But I found it actually to be quite good and quite affordable. I mean, the Solar Together scheme meant I got it effectively half price through the Liverpool City region Wirral Council bulk buying kind of scheme. I'm seeing the difference already in my electricity bills every single month. I think I was looking at my energy bill for last month and I think my total use of energy has come to like £1.80 for the whole month. The big thing for me being a wheelchair user is I sometimes need that variable energy. I need to charge my wheelchair overnight. So for me, having a battery system was really, really important because I'm not always going to be using the energy during the day, especially in the winter. So the fact I've got the battery system means I'm able to have the energy when I need it. I would really, really recommend Solar Together. It meant for me, getting solar panels was an affordable option. It meant I was able to do it. Whereas if I'd had to go privately, I wouldn't have been able to afford doing it. You know, the fact I'm able to do it through a bulk buying scheme with people in my own region is absolutely fantastic. It makes a big difference to me knowing that the energy that I need for my day-to-day tasks is coming from the sun shining in the sky rather than coming from the grid and coming from fossil fuels. I think the thing I wish I'd known before I started how easy it is just to generate the energy from the sun. I thought it was going to be a lot more maintenance, I thought the battery would be bigger, I thought the panels would be more work. The fact I'm able to log on to the app on my phone and see how much energy I've generated that much day, how much energy I've actually used, you know, and how much I'm saving every minute, every day, every month just makes a massive, massive difference.